Welcome to Khasi Learning Lessons. Hi everyone, welcome to Khasi Learning Lessons. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment below. Tap the bell to get notifications of my upcoming videos. Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Now we are going to learn the Khasi words for food, fruits, vegetables, meat, etc. Meat, dog, chicken, dog ear. Pork, dog snyang, beef, dog masi. Mutton, dog blanc, fish, dog ka. Egg, peleng, prawns, shrimprong, crab, dog tham. Fruit, sok, mango, sok ping, banana, gourd. Lemon, sok gel, pineapple, sok trun, guava, sok per am. Sugarcane, pie, coconut, sok snapcore. Gooseberry, sok meleng, pear, sok pork. Apple, sok apple, plum, sok plum, grape, sok grape. Papaya, sok kanpor, orange, sok nyamtra, jackfruit, sok pan. Vegetables, juhur, fried vegetables, juhur sde. Tomato, sok sao, potato, pan, cucumber, sok kya. Cabbage, gobi, cauliflower, phul gobi. Ginger, ing, garlic, rinsun, turmeric, shinrai. Onion, piat, carrot, gajor, yam, shriu. Radish, muli, turnip, sok lakum, brinjal, sok baingan. Food, jingbam, raw rice, cow, cooked rice, jar. Eat, bam, drink, di, water, Thank you so much for joining my kitchen. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.